So, you have a Hisense Roku TV. You are dealing with an issue where your Wi-Fi is not connected. It might say not connected right now. Maybe you were watching a movie on Netflix just a little while ago. Suddenly the connection just drops. Or maybe everything worked fine on Amazon Prime Video last night. You wake up this morning and open an app. Suddenly it says not connected. I am going to give you the solution right here. Most of you will be up and running by the end of this video. We are going to do two specific things. First, we will access the system operations menu. There is a certain key combination on the remote to get there. After that, we are going to restart your Hisense Roku TV. We will use another key combination for the restart as well. Let's start by accessing that system operations menu. Watch closely because the timing matters. Look at the home button on your remote. You need to press it 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you hit fast forward once, press play once, press rewind once, press play once again. Then hit fast forward one last time. Let's recap that sequence. Home button 5 times. Fast forward, play, rewind, play, fast forward. Let's do it together right now on TechVibes. Home button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fast forward, play, rewind, play, fast forward. Now, this secret menu will pop up on your screen. We want to select the system operations menu. Go up and press OK. From this list, we are looking for one specific option. Go to where it says Disable Network Pings. Click on OK. Now you will see the text change to Enable. Make sure it currently says Enable Network Pings. That part of the process is done. Now go back to your remote. You need to use a standard Roku remote for this. If you do not have one, they are very easy to find online for a low price. Press the home button first to clear the screen. Next, we are going to restart the TV using the remote. This is another specific key combination. Watch the remote closely. It starts with the home button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you press up once, press rewind twice, then press fast forward twice. Let's try it together. Ready, home button 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up once, rewind twice, fast forward twice. Now your screen should start acting a little bit funny. It will get to a point where the image just freezes. It might stay like that for about 30 seconds. Do not worry, it is just getting ready to reboot. The screen will eventually turn black. Then the TV will start to reboot itself. Let's see what happens here. The TV has just rebooted. It turned off and now it is turning back on. Go ahead and check your settings to see if you are connected to the Wi-Fi. You should be back online and ready to stream. If this worked for you, please like the video. Be sure to subscribe to the TechVibes channel. Leave a comment below to let me know if it fixed your connection.